Hi, this is Jason from SAshares, and today we will be going through our list of the top 5 Volatility 75 brokers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a video library, various trading guides and courses, as well as monthly webinars you can sign up to for a more in-depth educational experience. Coming in at number 4, we have Saxobank. Saxobank is another great online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, CFDs, commodities, futures, Forex options, and more. Available platforms for live accounts are provided on the Saxotrader Go and Pro platforms. Their Go platform is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems, while the Pro platform is supported on Windows and iOS operating systems. Their accounts feature individual and corporate accounts with Classic, Platinum, and VIP tiers, while a professional option is available for the more experienced Pro traders. Their individual and corporate accounts feature the absolute best digital services, 24/5 support, lower prices, and more. Saxobank also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a variety of video guides that cover topics such as platform functionality, as well as various courses in financial trading and webinars that you can sign up to. At number 3 on our list, we have Plus 500. Plus 500 is a globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Featured platform for accounts is available on Plus 500's trading platform and mobile application, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Plus 500 features one live trading account, which was specifically designed to provide a variety of services to suit the needs of beginner and experienced traders alike. Plus 500 also provides their very own trader's guide and educational panels, which delves into various beginner trading topics, as well as an economic calendar and a variety of risk management tools for you to browse through as you please. Coming in at number 2, we have Etoro. Etoro is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, and indices. Available platform for accounts is featured on the Etoro trading platform and application, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature retail and professional accounts with negative account balance protection, margin closeout restrictions, and more. Etoro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, which cover a variety of trading topics, as well as a featured podcast and tutorial videos for any of you beginners that are looking for some more in-depth yet easy to understand education. And finally, at number 1 on our list of the best Volatility 75 brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is another online fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, FX options, ETFs, bonds and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts which include lower leverage, negative account balance protection, risk warnings, and a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's Web Trader, and for mobile trading activities, Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides great educational services which cover in-depth trading guides that delve into professional trading techniques, economic indicators, and various educational trading methods and topics for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the #1 broker, the most innovative CFD broker, best affiliate program, most trustworthy broker, and many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online fully regulated financial broker. And those are the top 5 best Volatility 75 brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment, are you a beginner, intermediate or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SAshares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.